Good morning, children. This lesson is for class 4 for the subject of General Science. Topic is food, which is covered in chapter 1, Food, starting on page number 6 of your textbook, titled Nutrients in Science, Evergreen Publications, and is being submitted to you on 19th of April 2021. Dear students, I hope through our previous two lessons, you all might have understood the importance of food and nutrients. In our lesson for today, we'll be doing the questions and answers based on the complete chapter. Children, all of you, please be ready with your science notebook, pencil, and eraser. And the heading on the top should be mentioned as questions and answers from chapter number 1. So let us now start with question number 1. Question number 1 is, why is food essential to us? Children, as we have already discussed, food plays an important role. What are the functions which food perform in your body? The very first thing is food gives us energy to work and play. Food keeps us healthy and strong. It helps us to fight diseases. That is, it builds our immunity. We can fight with the diseases with the help of our food. Food repairs the worn out body parts. And food builds our body and helps us to grow. These are the functions of the various nutrients which are present in our food. Question number 2 says, what is a balanced diet? As we have already done, a balanced diet is a diet in which all the nutrients are present in proper amount. Then that diet is known as a balanced diet. And what is the role of a balanced diet? It keeps us fit and healthy and also protects us from many diseases. Question number 3, we have to write any 4 ways by which we can take care of our food. Children, we can take care of food in the following ways. The first point says, serve yourself with the amount that you will eat completely. Never waste food. Food is very, very important. Number 2 says, buy limited quantity of food according to the requirement of our family. Whatever we need, in what quantity we need to buy only that much amount of food. And dry cereals and pulses, they should be stored in clean and airtight containers so that they are not spoiled. And the packaged food items and the frozen food items which we keep in our refrigerator, they should be regularly checked and must be consumed before the expired date. The date is mentioned there and we must be very regular in checking. So students, before we move further to our next question, please write these first in your notebook and here you may pause the lesson for 5 minutes. I hope you all might have written these questions with understanding. Let us now move further to question number 4. And question number 4 says, why do we need proteins? Children, as we know, proteins, they are the basic building blocks of our body. And we have to name here 3 protein-rich foods also. So proteins are the building blocks of our body. And we need proteins as proteins help in growth and repair of body. They help in the formation of new cells. And thirdly, also help in repairing the damaged cells of our body. That is why they are known as the body building foods. 3 protein rich foods are milk, eggs and meat. Now in question number 5, we have to mention the importance of water in our diet. Children, water is not a nutrient, but it helps in proper functioning of our body. Water helps in digestion of food. Water also removes the waste from our body in the form of sweat and urine. So this is how water is playing an important role in our diet. As per question number 6, how is roughage useful for our body? And we also have to name the 3 foodstuffs which are rich in roughage. Now roughage is the fibers which are present in all plant products. All the fiber rich foods, they have roughage. Though roughage is not having any nutritional value, but the main important function is it helps in removing the undigested food from our body easily. It makes the food bulky and hence it also helps to prevent constipation. And 3 foodstuffs rich in roughage are cucumber, cabbage and skin of fruits. So students, you can complete these questions in your notebook and you may pause the lesson here for 5 minutes. I hope you all must have done these questions with understanding. So let us now move further towards our next set of questions. Question number 7 is what is exercise, and we have to write any 4 advantages of doing exercise. Students, any activity which involves the movement of our body, it is exercise. We can name any of the exercises like running, walking, swimming, yoga. All these are exercises. And what are the advantages? First is exercise makes our muscles strong. Exercise removes waste from our body in the form of sweat. Exercise gives shape to our body. It gives shape to our muscles. And so our body gets in shape with the help of exercise. And if we are healthy, it keeps us fit and strong. So this is exercise only which helps us to keep fit and strong. Now in question number 8, we have to give reasons for the following. First part is milk is a complete food. We all know children are being said that they should include milk in their diet. Why? Why it is said to be a complete food? As milk is rich in calcium, minerals, vitamins, proteins, fats and carbohydrates. So hence each and everything is present in milk, so it is a complete food. And B part is we must avoid eating too much of junk food. Children, junk food is low in nutrients and is high in calories. So if it is high in calories and nutrient value is not there, so what it will do? It will make us obese, weak and inactive. So we must avoid eating too much of junk food. So dear children, here we have completed the questions and answers based on our complete chapter 1. So you need to do these neatly and with understanding in your notebook. And then your home assignment for this week is you need to do the test paper 1 of the science worksheet in order to check your understanding of the chapter. Thank you, students.